So, here's a hit without a swing. Our palms just touch each other like this. They don't press each other. We just hold each other's hand. Now, I need to hit him without a swing. It's the same when we create an impulse in our legs. It's like with a whip. When an impulse gets from the handle to the end of a whip, it's the same here. We can create an impulse in our legs and transmit it there. And when you do it for the first time, you just want to do this. Everybody do this. And you should hit like this. Ha! Transmit an impulse. The same as we did with the neck. An impulse is created in the legs, then diaphragm and chest. I can hit him like this or like this. I mean with my left hand and the right one. Some kind of cutting blows. I do it in one plane now, but you can also hit this way or this way. These moves are quite complicated. It's difficult to understand them and handle. You may ask me what kind of blow is that, and the blow is... Okay, you remember the rule of the eccentric mechanism? There is a circle with a shifted center of mass. And due to the turning, an angle can be increased or decreased. It's the same here. When twisting your hands, the angle is constantly changed. One hand is for hitting, it should be free. And the other one initiates movement. That's why you don't tense your first hand up. It's just a hitting surface. Like this, it works. Your second hand just pushes it. It acts like a powder. I mean, it initiates a blow. You should mind the shape of your fist hand in order not to break it. A hit, a hit. I mean, don't swing it up as they do it in standard boxing. They have special hitting techniques and amplitudes. Here, the diapason is less. Some gaps can be used here. Here we have a gap, here, no. So, mind these terms. 2 PR, the length of a circumference. Plus, you should be flexible. I mean, you can hit them from different sides. You can do this with the edge of your palm, or with this part, where your thumb is. So, I can hit him from here, mind this part. When we hit in this point of our arm, an impulse should be created. A forearm tends to move in the opposite direction. Don't just hit for the sake of hitting. You should create an impulse, like this. Ha. Ha. These twisting movements help us to create an impulse, which is then transmitted to the legs. Then you can turn and use it further. That's why we learned the hitting technique in the first place. I mean, the classic one. It includes a direct side and down top blows. This is the classic technique with which everybody starts, and then we add some other special hitting and defense moves.